Hi everyone, today I'm going to be installing the DW10F dual stage water filter system from Frizzlife. Included in the box you have the DW10F filter system with filters loaded, the 1/4 inch tubing, the 3-way feed water valve, the dedicated faucet, the 1/4 inch quick fitting, the blue clips, the wrench, the plumber's tape, the blade, and the mounting screws. Step 1. Mount the system. Find the proper place to mount the system. Unscrew both cartridges. Mount the filter housing using the provided screws. Then screw back in the cartridges. Step 2. Cut the tubing. Cut the 1/4 inch tubing into 2 sections for the inlet tube and for the outlet tubing in the proper lengths based on your needs. Step 3. Connect the 3-way feed water valve. Load the inlet tubing through the nut. Push and squeeze the tubing to the very end. Then use a wrench to tighten the nut and do not over tighten it. Step 4. Connect the water supply. Shut off the water supply. Remove the feed water hose from the angle valve. Connect the 3-way feed water valve and make sure the rubber O-ring is loaded. Then connect the feed water hose. Now the valve installation is complete. To remove the plug, just remove the blue clip, push down on the collar around the plug with the provided tool, and pull out the plug. Step 5. Connect the filter system. Remove the blue clip from the inlet port and connect the other end of the inlet tubing to the inlet port. Make sure the tubing hits the bottom of the fitting. Put back the blue clip to seal the connection. Then connect the outlet port with the outlet tubing in the same way. Step 6. Install the faucet. Mount the faucet to the top of your sink. Connect the faucet with the 1/4 inch quick fitting. Then connect the other end of the outlet tubing from the outlet port into the 1/4 inch quick fitting. Step 7. Check for leaks. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Flush the system for about 15 minutes before the first use. When it's time to replace the filters, make sure to lift both filter housings at the same time for easier replacement and to ensure not to cause water leaks. Twist the housing of the cartridges clockwise. Use the provided wrench to unscrew each housing body. Take out the old cartridges and load the new ones. Then install the filter cartridges back in the same way you took them out. Flush the system again for about 15 minutes before starting to use it. And you are now ready to continue enjoying your clean drinking water. There are also larger filters available from Frizzlife like the DW15F or the DW20F that can last up to 24 to 36 months. Thanks for watching.